Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and healthy. We have completed the lesson 2 in our last class. Have you completed your homework? Okay. Today we can learn a new lesson. We have learned in grade 6 that work is done when a force acts on your body and the body moves in direction of the force. Do you remember? Yes. When we mow a lawn, we move a lawnmower across a lawn to cut the grass. Here, work is done as the lawnmower moves in the direction of the applied force. Today we are going to study about energy. Energy is a capacity to do work. Energy can be changed from one form to another, but it neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy is the ability to do work or capacity to do work. The ability to exert force and cause change. The ability to exert force and cause change. Energy is all around us. We sense the energy as light, feel as heat, and hear as sound. The SI unit of energy is joule. What is the SI unit of energy? Joule. Another unit of energy is calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. Where does energy come from? The sun provides most of the energy on the earth. So, the main source of energy is the sun. We will get the solar energy from the sun. The solar energy converted into different forms of energy. What is the main source of energy? Sun. Now, we can study about forms of energy. First one is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy in motion or the energy of a moving object. Energy in motion or the energy of a moving object. For example, shooting a rubber band. Water falling over the fall. A yo-yo in motion. Releasing the arrow from the bow. An object rolling down a hill. Muscles moving. A car is moving. These are the examples of kinetic energy. Energy due to motion depends on mass of the object and speed of the object. If speed is more, the kinetic energy of object is more. If the mass is more, the kinetic energy of object is more. For example, if a truck and a car are moving with the same speed, the truck will have more kinetic energy because of its larger mass. Next one is potential energy. The energy that an object due to position is called potential energy. It is also called stored energy. Potential energy will not move. It will be stay in one place. when an object is stretched or compressed or bent. For example, stretching a rubber band, water at the top of a waterfall, yo-yo held in your hand, drawing a bow and arrow. When an object is raised to some height above the ground, for example, a brick lying on the roof of a house, this balloon is on the rest. This is potential energy. Balloon is moving when the air releasing from the balloon. So, it is kinetic energy. Going from potential energy to kinetic energy. So, the kinetic energy and potential energy are together called mechanical energy. Next type of energy is light energy. Light energy is the only form of energy which is visible to the human eye. Energy from the sun or another source which we can see with our eyes. The sun is the main source of light on earth. Sun, light bulb, candle, etc. These are the source of light energy. It moves from place to place in waves. It comes in many colors. All the colors of light put together make white light. For example, the energy used to cook food in a microwave is a form of light energy. And another one is radar systems that are used for air traffic control use a form of light energy. The light energy travels in a straight line until it strikes an object. Light can be reflected by a mirror or lens or observed by an object. Light is a kind of energy. Without light energy, you could not see anything. Plants absorb light energy and make food through a process of photosynthesis. So, the light energy is converted into chemical energy. When we eat plants, we can get this chemical energy. So, the light uses in many things. In lighthouse, computer, traffic lights, camera, television, fire, etc. Next energy is heat energy. Heat is a form of energy that can move from the hotter object to the cooler object. The temperature of the cooler object rises while that of the hotter one falls until both are at the same temperature. Heat changes the states of matter into another form like melting and evaporation. The water does not get as hot, but it absorbs the same amount of heat energy. Heat energy makes the coffee hot. Heat is a form of energy that is transferred from a region of higher temperature to one of lower temperature. The example of heat energy in our solar system is the sun. Automobile fuels such as gasoline are sources of heat energy. This energy is produced in many ways such as burning, rubbing, or mixing one substance with another. Good morning children. How are you all? Today we are studying about energy. Is it? Do you remember energy? You have learned in the last year. Is it? Energy is all around us. Okay. These types of energy can be changed into one form to another form. Okay. We can sense the energy as a light. Then feel the energy as a heat. Okay. Then hear the energy as a sound. Okay. These are the energies. Capacity to do work. What is the definition of energy? Capacity to do work. It has different types of energy. Okay. Different forms of energy. Listen here. What is the SI unit of energy? SI unit of energy is joule. In the older, they will be find it. What is the type of SI unit of energy? In calorie. Okay. So, 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. Okay. The SI unit of energy is joule. Before that, they will find the calorie. Okay. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. What is the main source of energy? Sun. Sun is a main source of energy because sun provides many forms of energy on the earth. So, the sun is the main source of energy. Okay. Which energy they will be provides? Sun provides the solar energy. Okay. The energy has different forms. Listen here. Kinetic energy, potential energy, light energy, heat energy, magnetic energy, sound energy, nuclear energy, electrical energy, okay, etc. Listen, today we are going to study about kinetic energy, potential energy, light energy and heat energy. Okay. Listen children, first type of energy is kinetic energy. Okay, what is the meaning of kinetic energy? Energy in motion. It means an object is moving. Okay, energy that the object is moving. It is the kinetic energy. This kinetic energy due to the motion depends on two types. Okay, first one is mass of the object and another one is speed of the object. What is the meaning of mass of the object? According to the mass, the kinetic energy is increased. Okay, it means mass of the object. If the mass is more, the kinetic energy increases. It is more. The speed of the object. If the speed is more, the kinetic energy is more. Okay, for example, listen here. This is the example of motion. Shooting the rubber band. Now this rubber band is on rest. Okay. Listen here. Now it is will be in rest. Okay. When I shoot this rubber band, the paper will be moved. Okay. This is the kinetic energy. Okay. Next one is potential energy. What is the meaning of potential energy? Potential energy means the energy that is an object due to position. Okay, it will be not move. It will be on rest. An object will be on rest. It will not move. Okay, the object will be rise in higher places from the ground. For example, listen here. This is the table. Okay. This is the table. From here, one book is there. Okay, this is the book. Listen here, the book is on the table. the book is little higher places from the ground. Okay, book is on rest. So this is the potential energy. Listen here. This is the mountain. One boy is playing with a ball. Okay. Now the ball is on rest. So this is the potential energy. Okay. Always the object will be on rest, but it is in the higher place from the ground. Do you understand this? Listen here. This ball is moving from here. Okay. The ball is on rest. It is the potential energy. From the mountain, the ball is moving from here. Okay. So this is called kinetic energy because the ball is moving. So the potential energy and kinetic energy together are called mechanical energy. Okay, the potential energy and kinetic energy together called mechanical energy. Listen here. This is the balloon. Okay, the balloon is on the rest now. Okay, so what is the name of energy? This is potential energy. Okay, now the balloon is on potential energy because it is on rest. Now I will release the air from the balloon. What will happen? Listen here. Listen here. Where is the balloon now? Balloon is moving because the air is coming out. The balloon is moving. What is the type of energy? This is kinetic energy. Okay, did you understand this? Next one is light energy. Okay, what is the meaning of light energy? The form of energy which is visible to the human eye. Okay, without light we cannot see anything. Can you see anything without light? No. So the light is a kind of energy. Okay, without light energy or without light we cannot see anything. Which one is giving light for us? Sun. Sun is giving light for us. Okay, light energy because the sun is a main source of light. The sun is a main source of light. Can you say what are the light sources are there? Fire, torchlight. Okay, torchlight. Then candle. Yes. Okay, these are the sources of light. Okay, the light comes in straight line. Okay, the light energy travels in a straight line. It comes more colors. Okay, light becomes more colors, but the all colors are joined together. It will make white color. Okay, listen here. What is the uses of light? The light uses in many things. Okay, in school, buildings, in lighthouse, computers, television, gas stove, okay, etc. These are the things it will be used in light energy. And also the plants use the light energy. Why the plants are using? Listen. Listen. These are the plants use light energy from the sun. They will make a food through the process of photosynthesis. Do you remember the photosynthesis? Yes. Plants will prepare their own food. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. Using that process of photosynthesis, plants use the light energy from the sun. Okay, plants using this light energy, then the plants are changing the light energy into the chemical energy. This chemical energy we have to use. How? When we eat the plants, we will get the chemical energy from the plants. Okay. Last one is heat energy. Okay. What is the meaning of heat energy? Heat is a form of energy. Okay. That is moved from hotter object to cooler object. It means when we use the heat energy, it can change the hot energy, hot object into the cooler object. Okay. What is the uses of heat? Using the heat energy, we will cook the food. We can make coffee, boiling waters. Okay. Then burning, mixing, rubbing, everything. Okay. We can use the heat energy. And also we can use the heat energy to change the states of matter. Okay, what are the states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gases. Okay, we can change the solid into liquid and liquid into gas. Okay, through heating. Okay, because of heating the solid changes into liquid. What is the process of that? Melting. Okay, then the liquid changes into gas through the heating. Okay, by heating. What is the process of that? Evaporation. Evaporation or boiling. Okay, children. How many forms of energy we have completed today? 4 forms of energy. What are they? Kinetic energy, potential energy, light energy and heat energy. Okay, in the next class we are going to see about nuclear energy, sound energy, mechanical energy and electrical energy. Okay children, you can refer the book and learn it well. Okay, thank you.